Join our hosts as they step aboard the Falcon 22 offshore, a fishing-focused catamaran with a spacious layout and features for the family angler. The Falcon 22 offshore has an overall length of 22 feet 6 inches, a beam of 8 feet 6 inches, and a max horsepower rating of 300. Built for taking multiple anglers on offshore adventures, she has a draft of 14.5 inches, a dead rise of 24 degrees, a weight of 4,700 pounds, and a fuel capacity of 112 gallons. Now, let's hear more from our hosts.
Guys, today we're on the Falcon 22 offshore. Now, this is a nice surprise today. This is a new company, and they are bringing the cat-style boats in a smaller version.
Hey guys, this is the smallest cat we've been on, and we've got a great day to test her out. The wind's picking up a little bit here, so we're really going to get to see what this boat can do. I'm looking forward to it. By the nature of its design, a 22-foot Falcon catamaran hull offers significant additional forward deck space, making it possible to add features and carry a passenger load more suited to a 26-foot monohull. Falcon Boats adds to this the ride of a Morellian Melvin designed semi-asymmetrical hull and the integrity of a fully vacuum resin-infused construction method from top to bottom to create this model, the Falcon Offshore 22. With an exterior footprint small enough to maneuver around inshore environments and a ride and stability capable of handling offshore waters as well, the Falcon provides a versatile multi-use platform in a manageable size class.
At the bow, there was an elevated casting platform with a full-width bench seat, along with a fold-down bench seat and removable backrest, only on the port side. I've never seen this before. Being that this is a semi-custom boat, the owner's wife wanted a lounge seat that did not take away from her husband's fishing ability and having that 360 walk around.
The storage options on the Falcon are solid for a 22-footer. A forward opening console seat reveals a large dry storage compartment. To port and starboard in the cockpit below deck are a pair of very large insulated fish holds coming in at 340 quarts each.
At the helm, you have flip-up bolsters. This allows the chairs to act either as a seat or a leaning post, along with a fold-down footrest.
At the helm, a secondary space behind a rearward tilting hatch exposes the entire electrical and mechanical heart of your running systems for the simplest access imaginable should you need to perform any maintenance. Each Falcon is a semi-custom build using 100% infused components throughout. All parts from the full interior liner and all finished compartments are laminated together and integrated with the hull, forming a solid bond. Top quality hardware from quality friction hinges to Bocatet backlit electrical accessory switches are standard equipment.
Behind the helm, we had tackle storage with a retractable cooler slide out. At the stern, there was contoured seating with removable backrests that sat in between two live wells. Now, I personally felt like this design increased the space in the cockpit. Having that contoured seating where it wasn't just straight back really did free up some room.
For live bait storage, a pair of 22-gallon live wells at opposite corners on the transom can be supplemented with an optional 40-gallon tank leaning station at the helm. For divers or even just folks who like to jump into the water for a swim, a low transom leading to the engine platform deck offers easy access to a wide stairway-style dive boarding ladder for extremely simple water entry that would be especially useful if you're wearing dive gear.
Now listen, when a V-hull boat has an 8.5-foot beam, it's measured from the widest part of the boat, which immediately starts to taper to a narrow bow. A cat hull with an 8.5-foot beam carries her width well up into the bow and back toward the transom, creating a much bigger fishing platform. So, if a 22-foot boat fits your lifestyle, but you've got the whole family to make happy on the water, the Falcon 22 Offshore might be exactly the best boat to meet your needs.
A production schedule of as little as 6 weeks from order to delivery is attainable on your own personal custom build. This efficiency also enables Falcon to be capable of offering a truly custom designed and built sport catamaran hull at a very moderate price point.
Guys, being on a 22-foot cat today, look at us. The three of us are standing up here on the bow, still plenty of room. And that's that wide beam, and that's what a cat boat does for you. It goes all the way through.
I'll tell you what else that beam does today, Lori. Think about when we were drifting in that inlet chop, that 3 to 4 sloppy stuff. What stability for a little 22-foot boat. I mean, it was as stable as 30-foot boats I've fished on.
Oh, you're right. Stability is a great attribute to a cat, but so is real estate. And if you want all the real estate you can get in a 22-foot package, the Falcon 22 Offshore is a boat you got to see.